update. I'm really close to my home now. I'm so tired. Like, look at those, bro. Today's Thursday, so like we have like a weekly market. Like there is one on Sunday, one on Saturday, one on Thursday, all different places, and there is one on Tuesday also. So like we don't go to like malls and shit to like get food or whatever like they do in the US. Hamza can relate. Probably Insane can relate too. I don't know about Ibrahim, man. I don't know about him. Look at this, bro. Look at the amount of water, bro. So much water, bro. This amount of water, bro. Like, so much rain is happening in India these days. Like, it's crazy. And like on like what should I even say, man? Like you can already see like where I'm going, what like Insane already knows what I look like and stuff. नहीं, मैंने आपको 50 दिए, आपको मुझे 30 देने हैं।
हाँ
तो अगर मैं आपको 60 दूंगा, आप 40 दोगे ना? 40 20 के दो नोट हैं तो ये लो 10 रुपये और 40 दे दो। ये रहे ना 2 20 के नोट। Yes, so bro didn't have change, so I gave him extra 10 rupees, so he would give me 10 rupees more. And since he had 40 and not 30, I got 40 and like he got 60, so 60 minus 40 is 20, which is what he needed. So like it's a win-win. Look at these dogs, bro. These specific dogs bite. Like, look at this. How can someone be this evil, bro? Like, what if your dog sleeps on your car? Let them sleep. You have infinite water supply. You can just wash it off. Like, look at this car. No dog is sitting on it. If something is not allowed to you, you will be doing more of it. So a dog will just like remove the cloth somehow and just be on your car instead of the car which is already free. That dog almost got angry at me, bro. I was so scared. Oh my god, bro. I was so casually going, and this kid came out of nowhere, and I got so scared. Like, I'm like so tired, like can't even go ultra instinct, so like I can not get jump scared by stupid kids. And like since this video is the SD card, I also have to figure out Where the fuck is the video? What are these fucking messages, bro? Yeah, so this phone's battery is at 20% now. Yeah, but the house is very near like 500 steps. So it's not that bad. I'll reach there when this phone is on like 16 or 18% or something. Can you guys even you see this house, guys? Here lives a stupid little bitch who is so fucking annoying. She thinks she's the fucking politician, but she's just a stupid narcissistic bitch. Like, she's Sakura, but worse. She's more useless than Sakura. At least Sakura could heal people. She can't even do that. At least Sakura could hit Naruto pretty hard. She can't even hit Rice. Well, I literally don't give a fuck if you see my house or whatever. So like, this is it. It's not like you're gonna visit my house and kill me or something, because